In news from the region, a seismologist at the University of the West Indies St. Augustine campus in Trinidad and Tobago is warning of the escalating risks after seismic activities continue to interrupt or to intensify at the Pipara mud volcano. The last time the volcano erupted was in 1997. More in this report.
They need to be aware of what is going on, and they need to be ready to evacuate if things escalate.
Engineering seismologist at the University of the West Indies, Dr. Ilias Papadopoulos, noted while gas emissions are not directly linked to volcanic activity, the natural phenomenon is caused by the buildup of seawater that became trapped beneath the ground's subsurface over several decades, leading to pressurized zones that can force mud and gas through the surface if pressure persists. Due to heightened activity recorded in Pipara on December 24th, the area has faced infrastructural damage, particularly along roads, pushing the ground apart and causing it to uplift, along with the formation of cracks on buildings and other surfaces. Dr. Papadopoulos noted that effects can ripple beyond infrastructure, greatly impacting the area's agricultural livelihood.
The general area, if you visit Pipara, is full of cracks on the roads, off the roads, in the fields. So, yes, it will affect in terms of how the surface is appearing. Close to the main vent, there is no vegetation, and I think they are not allowed to agriculture there. But in the general area, there is these cracks that can affect by making trees fall or by affecting the crops.
He noted that with the installment of seismic sensors, authorities are able to monitor any volcanic action happening in the area.